Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dr. Linz here, and I'm very excited to review some clothing with you because nothing feels better than some awesome gear that makes you feel amazeballs. So before I get into it, just to let you know, I will have all of this stuff linked, okay? Right below. It does help support me, so if you love these reviews, hey, shop from the links. It helps support my channel, and I appreciate it so much. So I'm very excited for this launch because, I mean, it's pretty fly looking. Is that even a word? It's cool. It's really sleek looking, very comfortable so far from what I've felt with wearing this. So let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so what I'm reviewing today is Phorm's new gear launch, which is the Daybreak collection. All right, getting ready for fall. They have some beautiful colors. So what I have is the Forest, which is like a darker kind of olivey green. And then we have a black, which is always great to have a nice pair of black leggings. So you will see in the Daybreak legging that they have side pockets on both sides. And not only is it just a side pocket, it is going to have a zipper on the side to secure whatever you so please to put in these pockets. One thing I did like about the pocket in the legging is that it does have a considerable amount of room. I could stick my whole hand in there and go like this in it and have enough room on the side pocket. So you got two of them, bam, bam, on each side. The other thing I noticed when I pulled them out of the package is that they are silky smooth. So they have a nice athletic fit, and you guys know if you've watched my reviews, I do like having that athletic feel when I am working out. I don't want something super heavy. One thing I will point out, however, is they are not as high-waisted as some of the leggings that I have reviewed. So compared to like the Vital Seamless, they're not as high-waisted, or some of the Lulu pants like the Align pant. But they still do go up over my belly button, which that's kind of like my high waist test, is it comes up over my belly button, and I like that because it holds me in, and I just like that secure feeling. As we turn around in the legging, you will see a slight V, just an ever so slight V up, which accentuates the glute, and that's where you will see the Phorm logo there. Now, how could I miss this feature? Okay, I didn't even notice it when I pulled it out of the packaging, but at the bottom, you are going to have a nice, ever so slight sheer look at the bottom of the side of the shin there. So that adds a little bit of nice detail to the legging. Overall, the Daybreak legging seems like a great quality to me. A great quality legging that you can work out in. You can throw a long sweater over it and wear it out and about. I think it will be a great fall legging overall. Before I forget, I am a size medium in the legging as well as the bra, which I'm about to go over right now. Okay, so we're gonna go over the new Daybreak bra. From my understanding, it's a brand new design that Phorm released, which is cool. I always like to test out bras because I am a 34D. I have a bigger chest, smaller rib cage-ish, so it's kind of hard to find a nice supportive bra. I do like their Solstice bra to a degree. One thing that sets this bra apart out for me is, I have it on right now, is going to be, it's a little bit more, hits me higher on the chest, which I like because I don't feel like I'm spilling out. So this bra may be a better option for ladies who do have a bigger chest. Another thing you're gonna get with this bra is a thicker strap, and in the back it is thicker. It's not super thin to where it's going to help provide more support. Those are all things I look for when I'm trying to find a nice supportive sports bra. One different thing I thought with this bra is that the band is hidden. So you have this bottom band usually that shows. The band's hidden, it's actually under it. It's not as thick as what I would typically like my bands under the, the bra to be. I like them to be thicker because it does feel like I have more support with my bigger chest. So that'd be one thing that I wish was a little bit thicker there, but it still, held me in fine. I didn't have any side boob either, which is something else I look for. So no side boob, and then you have a nice detail of almost like, it's like a shimmery material on the side, but it kind of gives it that leathery look, so it kind of is edgy and different compared to other bras. This bra overall, I would say if you have a bigger chest, medium support when you're doing high impact. So for me, again, like I said, I do have a bigger chest, so if I'm jumping, it's a better than, you know, most sports bras, I would say, but you are still, it's not going to be fully secured in there. So hopefully that helps you with the new Daybreak bra figure out if it's right for you. I'm going to wear this throughout the day and in some of my weightlifting workouts as well, and I know I will feel comfortable in it. Again, I'm a size medium and everything. I do find this to be great quality clothing. If you would like to shop below, take a look-see at things, I got those linked up for you. And if you have any questions, place them in the comments. Until next time, we will chat soon. Bye guys.